All right, guys, jumping right in. I'm working backwards. I'm a day behind. So today's daily analysis for our trading is going to be for Friday, August 15th, 2025. And wasting no time, I'm going to jump right into it. Okay. This was our daily analysis for this past Friday. Okay. Got into the market with a buy and one with a buy. Okay. As you can see, the blue horizontal line is where I got into the market. So the 7 p.m. interval. I believe I got in around 7:05-ish. Okay. And this is Eastern Standard Time. And we won this trade in exactly 3 minutes and 32 seconds after entering the market. Okay. So the blue line is the interval in which I got into the market. So as you can see right here, and within the same exact candlestick formation, as you can see, this little yellow orange circle is where our take profit hit, which I marked the green line here. This green horizontal line right here is where we needed to go in order for our take profit to hit. Okay. So this number right here is $3,340.29. Where am I getting that number? Look on the right hand side of my screen. This was the price of gold that I set for the take profit. Okay. I always put in 10 pips. So that means that the opening price was 33.39 and 29 cents, which is 10 pips um, below the take profit price. I always put in for 10 pips. And again, you can put in more than 10 pips, but me personally, I like to do 10 pips only. Okay. So within 15 minutes before the next candlestick had formed, we got in for a um, buy and one with a buy within 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Okay. So depending on how many pips you have, that could be $3,000, that could be $10,000, that could be $100. Okay. So it really depends on your balance and your lot size that you are trading with. Okay. But overall, a great day this past Friday in the market. Got into the market and got out. That's what you always want to do. You want to get into the market and get out as soon as possible because this market can be a bit risky if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. So that was the daily analysis for this past Friday. Fast forward a little bit, or move back rather. You can see that this is a downtrend. It's a slight downtrend, but it is a downtrend. Okay. As you can see, the market is going down slightly. Okay. It's almost in a consolidating phase. It's consolidating again, is moving side to side, but not quite. It's still going down. Reason why I got in for a buy is simply just following these candlesticks. Okay. As you can see right here is where I got in for the buy. What did the previous candlestick look like before this candlestick? It was a small red candlestick, which very minimum sellers, but there are still sellers. Before that one, there was a even smaller red candlestick, and before that, it was two red. So something just told me by the way that this is forming that the market was going to go up. Okay, um, this is called the morning sun when you see the candlestick doing this, because what does the sun do in the morning? It rises. Okay, so we could predict the future of these candlesticks by just looking at what it did previously. Okay, so strong green candlestick, most likely it was going to follow by another green one, which it did. The sellers tried to bring it down, but the buyers pushed it up, was a great indication for the next one being green as well, which it was. Okay, so that was a great day to get in for a buy if you got in for a buy around the 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, if you got in for a sale previously before that, chances are you would have won that trade as well. But during that time, it was great to buy and not sell. Okay, so the market did what it did. I believe there was another opportunity for a sell later within that day, but during that time the buy was best. Okay, but that's our daily analysis for this past Friday, August 15th, and I will be posting a video later on today's market analysis, which is August 18th. So stay tuned for that, and happy trading.